So,
Look what God gave her, how perfect He made her.
what's up, you guys? Princess Bravo here, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, in today's video, I quickly want to show you guys how you can easily clean your fake eyelashes at home. And this technique is super effective since once you are done cleaning your fake eyelashes, you can easily reuse them or wear them after they are dry. So, you can just give them 5 minutes and you're good to go. So, the first thing I do is just to get my fake eyelashes out, and you just want to get rid of all that gunk you can see on the lash. So I will start by taking my toothbrush and comb out the lash hairs, and you want to be very careful and super gentle with the lash because you don't want to ruin the lash because you want it to last you as long as possible. Now, if you do have a pair of tweezers, you want to use that to hold the lash at the base of the band, as you guys can see, and be very gentle as well. And then I'm going to dip my eye brush or eyelash brush into some water in that little container, and I'm just going to start brushing out the lash hairs, and I'm very careful with that as well. And as you guys can see, I'm using my finger to hold the lash very carefully. So if you don't have a pair of tweezers, you don't have to worry about this because your hands can easily do a great job. But the only con here is if you don't have long nails, I don't think you are going to be able to achieve that. So again, you want to be very careful when you are combing the lash hairs, and you want to avoid as much as possible not to get your lash band super wet. It doesn't need to have so much water because it will not prolong the longevity of the lash. So avoid getting the lash band super wet, and you can easily use your tweezers again to hold your lash in place so that it doesn't move while you are combing it. So once you are combing the lash hairs, you will begin to notice some of the old makeup coming off. So some mascara will come off, some lash glue will come off, eyeshadow will come off. So your lash is going to be super duper clean. So you don't need to have, again, expensive products. You don't need to have rose water or micellar water to clean your lash. Just plain water is good enough, and your lashes will be squeaky clean. So I'm going to go in with my eyelash brush again, and I'm just going to go lightly over the lash band, and I'm just going to give it just a little and gentle scrub. As you guys can see, I'm just like maneuvering the eyelash brush over the lash band just to get rid of the makeup. Again, I'm very gentle with this because I don't want to ruin my lash. Next, you want to pick up your pair of tweezers, and you want to use that to pick out the old glue. Again, you want to be very careful with this because once you start like forcing the glue to come off, you're going to rip out the lash. So don't force it, just let it come off naturally. Use very minimal force to just pull out the glue, and use your hands as well to hold the lash at the base of the band so that you don't rip out the eyelash. So be very careful and gentle with this process. Again, you don't ruin your lashes, so yeah, be mindful of that. And once that was done, I'll go in with my eyelash brush to brush out the lash hairs to make sure that there is no old mascara or glue in the lash and everything is just super duper clean. So guys, I do not recommend you to soak your falsies in water since this technique will not prolong the longevity of your false eyelashes, because soaking the fake eyelashes in water will cause the fiber hairs of the lash to become weak and therefore easily exposed to wear and tear. So I don't recommend you soaking your lashes because I've tried this technique before, and trust me, my lashes didn't even last me 2 weeks. They just, they were ruined because I soaked them in water. So I find that using this technique will actually is much easier and quicker and very efficient to use, especially if you're on the go, and you just give your lashes 5 minutes to dry after cleaning them and you're good to go. So once you are done cleaning the other lash, you're going to move on to the opposite lash and repeat the same steps again, keeping in mind you have to be very careful and gentle. You guys do know how much I love falsies, and because I believe they really enhance your look. So I've had these lashes for over a month now, and I've literally been wearing only this pair because I have no other pair, you guys. So this technique, I believe in this technique, so I recommend you to try it. In fact, I'm preaching to you to use this technique and come back to me and let me know how well it worked for you. So this could be a pair of your favorite lashes and you just want to slay those, or maybe you have no other pair of lashes to wear and you just can't imagine rocking that gorgeous outfit without a pair of lashes. So this technique is for you. It will literally cost you nothing. All the products I used you can easily find. You could use rose water or micellar water if you're feeling too extra, or just use plain water if you don't have those products, because water does a great job as well. So this is very cheap if you ask me, and you don't need to purchase any cleaning products because water is your best friend. So I find this technique very useful whenever I'm in a rush. I clean my lashes first and then set them aside to dry as I do my other routines, and once they are fully dry I just pop my lashes on and I'm good to go. Just that, you guys. Once you are done cleaning your falsies, you want to go in with your pair of tweezers and press down the lash band gently. So this will help to get rid of any bumps, and when you are ready to wear your lashes, they are good to go. The last step is to carefully place your fake eyelashes on their casing. So again, make sure that the lash case is very clean, because you don't want to have a clean lash and their case is very dirty. So make sure you clean that, and once you are storing the lash, place them in a way that the lashes are going to retain their original shape and form. An eyelash brush, mascara wand, spoolie, toothbrush, some water, and a pair of tweezers. That's all you need to get your lashes this squeaky clean, you guys. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to leave a big thumbs up for me, share this video if it was helpful, and also leave a comment down below and let me know if you guys will try this technique to clean your fake eyelashes. So as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Peace.